Got bananas going soft? Don't toss them, bake them into magic. Today I'm stirring up a loaf of eggless banana bread, kissed with flax, sprinkled with sesame, and wrapped in the warmth of whole wheat. No eggs, no fuss, just a cozy slice of comfort. Come, bake with me. Assemble all your stuff on the kitchen countertop. Get your baking dish out. A loaf pan, it can be a glass loaf pan or a tin loaf pan, either way it's good. Smear it with butter. Every corner of the loaf pan should be smeared with butter. That way it's easier for the bread to come out once it's out of the oven, especially in the corners where the sticky bread normally gets stuck. Smear it all around, sprinkle with little white flour, and try to toss it all around so that every corner is smeared with flour. Dust off the excess flour. Grind sesame seeds, flax seeds, all of them together into a fine powder. It takes 5 to 6 pulses in your grinder. Check if it's fine powder. Set it aside. Set the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel off all the bananas in a white bowl or any bowl. Ceramic bowl is better. Take a fork and start mashing them up. It's easier if you mash the bananas with sugar. With the friction, it helps more to mash bananas faster and in thinner paste. Keep mashing it, keep collecting it from all around. Gather them in the center. Add milk. It's half cup of milk. Mix it all around. You can mix wet ingredients as much as you can. Add oil. But once you add the dry ingredients, you can't mix a lot because too much mixing will make your bread very hard. So mix all the dry wet ingredients first. A dash of pure vanilla essence. Mix it all up. Now take your flax seed and sesame seed powder, put it in a sieve, add whole wheat flour and try to sieve a little bit. Baking powder, add baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and try to sieve them all together. The purpose of going through the sieve is so that all the dry ingredients mix together, especially the baking powder and baking soda. Now add the whole wheat flour, sieve them. The leftover part is not to throw away. Sieving is just so that everything gets incorporated. Mix all the remainder of the flax seed, sesame seeds from the sieve, add vinegar and mix everything gently. Don't mix it vigorously. It will make your bread very hard. Just mix gently and slowly, incorporating all the dry stuff in the wet stuff. Take from every corner. The idea is just when you see no white flour lumps, you know that it's all mixed up. There's no need to over mixing. Now take your prepared loaf pan, pour the batter in the loaf pan, making it spread gently. tap the loaf pan so that the air bubbles come out. Your oven should be ready by now at 350 Fahrenheit. Put the oven rack in the middle and your loaf pan goes in the middle oven rack. Close it, and now the baking started. It's 5:24 right now, so bake at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. See, it's already halfway through. The bread has risen halfway through. Check, but do not open the door of the oven. Once you open the door, the temperature releases. Now lower down the temperature to 320 and again bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. 6:22 has been 20 minutes. Now check for the doneness. Insert a thin fork or a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's ready. Now take a cooling rack, get your bread out and let it cool for a while. Do not slice it now. All the air will release and your bread might become hard. Once it's cold, take it out in a cutting board, slice it through, and look how easily the knife goes in. Without egg, normally bread is hard, but this, because of flaxseed, it's very soft and fluffy, and it's very mild sweet without any added sugar. Slice it through. You can eat it with butter, jam, eat with your evening tea, black coffee. It's good with everything. See you next time. Bye.